Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Citi Commercial Cards. So first of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top URL section, type down Citi Commercial Card and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, we could see the Citi Commercial Cards website right over here. Click on that option as well. And over here on the right hand side, you could see this box here that says you are required with your user ID as well as your password. So simply type down your user ID and your password as well. And here you can see the small box that says remember user ID. If you want to keep logged into the device that you want to log in, click on this option that says remember user ID. But if you do not want to, then click back again in order to default. And click on the sign in right over here so that you can successfully log into the Citi Commercial Cards. And if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this option that says forgot user ID or password in order to recover or reset your user ID or password. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming